Well, hey everybody, I'm John Hassel, the lake guy here at Cedar Creek Lake with A.B. Howley Realtors, and we're finally back on Michael's project. It has been a long wait. Supplies are hard to come by. Everybody's got everything on back order, and because this boathouse is a little bit different design, the panels that they used to put underneath, which were coated panels they use for drip. So when you have a Sundeck on top of the house, you have to have panels underneath to catch the rainwater that comes through. They had to order extra long panels, and it took almost 3 weeks of just waiting to get those panels. But now we're back to work on it, getting it done, and I want to give you a quick update before the final is finished. So let's get started, okay? All right, well, since we left the last time, you see this in the front. Yeah, it looks like a pedestal. Well, it actually is a pedestal. That is part of the stairs that are going to go and connect right up there. And below, underneath it, as you see down here, there's going to be storage. So you're going to have the stairs that you'll walk up here, come up, walk up, go around, and get back up on top of the Sundeck. Now, we can get on the dock right now, which is great. Get to show you this, but what you see up there are those metal panels. Those are the drip panels. Those are the panels that have to be up there to collect the water that comes down below. Now they've just, and here again, you've got this amazing view from this boathouse. Isn't that something? Yeah, there's the wall that they put in earlier, and you can see those on those videos. But you can see how here's going to be a storage closet. The staircase is going to come out from up there and come back around. So yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. But there is the panels. And you can see this is a 10-foot roof, so you'll be able to put a boat in here. You got a wakeboard boat. You can be able to put the tower in it. Going to be awesome. Jet ski lift go right there. That's the back of the channel going back up in there. But yeah, and the decking is done on the top. So now they've got to do the weld ups or the bullets at the top to put the railing around. They've got to finish the staircase. Then they've got to do the electrical. So I want to give you an update of what's going on, but yeah, that's what it looks like. You can see all the framing is in, everything looks really good, so we are on our way. So stay tuned. The next video will probably be when this is almost completed, but if you need more information about boathouses, give me a call. Any kind of property on Cedar Creek, give me a call. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy the spring.